All right, cool. So if you come down here, you see right here, I got my little pins that I just push with a little push pin. This is an alcohol stove, but it's super simple. It's kind of based on like a penny stove design, but I didn't have a penny old enough, so I just kind of improvised. So this is a one can internal design, so I'll show you here with this can. The inner can here is literally the bottom piece, the middle piece cut out, and the top piece. The bottom piece you just crimp. I'll do a how-to video if people are interested. And then you just slide in the top piece over it. I sealed up the bottom with metal tape. And then I realized with the penny stoves, the problem is it wants to keep going out because the alcohol doesn't become gas very quickly. So then I just got this right here, just this red kidney beans. It was wide enough. Took some cotton swabs, put it on the bottom and around. It does two things. It acts like an insulator for the inner part, but it also acts as a wick. So I can put a little bit of alcohol in there, put some inside here, up top, and then light it. And the outside is going to heat up my can much faster. Then I can put my water on, and then enough gas builds up so it just comes out. And then once the can's hot enough, you don't even need to worry about that. You can see this isn't even on anymore. You just have the flames coming out my tubes because the can's hot enough and the alcohol is staying in a gaseous state. And this has been on, I don't know, what do you think, 10 minutes, babe? Yeah? Look inside.
I already did.
That's it.